A very good morning to all my lovely students. As you can see that now finally the exam mode is activated and we are ready for the revision of the exam and the topics that are going to be coming. So this assignment is based on that revision only. Whereas the first question is your from writing skills, and the question states you are Anita slash Anish. You stay in a hostel and share a room with Meeta slash Manish, your classmate. You have been detected with typhoid fever and some other complications. For this reason, you have to be admitted in a hospital immediately. Draft a message telling your roommate why and where you are going and that you will be back in 7 days. Also, request him or her to submit your maths notebook for checking. So, over here, you need to draft a message. Okay, you have to draft a message for your room partner. It means the one who is going to write is Anita for girls and Anish for boys. And to whom are we going to write? We are going to write Meeta, the roommate of girls, whereas Manish, the roommate for boys. So you can write dear Meeta or dear Manish, and then you can go ahead that this is the situation. I have been detected with the typhoid fever and I will be there in the hospital for around 7 days. I have to be admitted immediately. I request you on my behalf, you can please submit my maths notebook for checking, or any way that you want. Whatever way you want, that is why I have not mentioned the answer, because I want you people to see, think your own way of writing. But whereas the format remains same, okay, it should be in a box. Never ever forget the box. So this is the first example of the writing question that could come in your exams. Moving ahead, we have the reference based questions. So, this is the stanza of the poem Quarrel. Okay, I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. So these two stanzas are from the poem Quarrel, whereas this entire poem is based on the small little quarrel between a brother and a sister, and that too without any reason. They are fighting, then they started slowly, then it became a very strong fight, and then whereas the boy was saying I am right, but the girl was saying no, I am right. So they both are fighting. The same way it happens in our own real life, in our families, with us. Okay, we fight our brothers and younger sisters, we do have a little fight without any reason. So same way the poem is based on that quarrel only between the brothers and sisters. Now from these stanzas we have 4 to 5 questions that you will be answering. The first question is, what is the name of the poem and the poet? So the poet name is Eleanor Farjeon. Okay, and the poem name is The Quill. So you need to remember both the things, the poet name and the poem name. Second is, does the poet know about the reasons of the quarrel? No, the poet does not know the reason of their fight, but they're fighting because they have to prove themselves that yes, I am correct, I am correct. So they're fighting without any reason. Next is, give the meanings of the word fell out. Fell out means fight, means when the fight is at its peak and it's increasing, increasing, increasing. So we are felling out actually, we are fighting. The last question for this stanza is, what kind of relationship do the siblings share generally? So, generally, what kind of relationship is there? The siblings generally fight with each other. Yes, that's true. Brother sister fights, but they too care and love each other. If there is no fight, means there is no love between the brother and sister. So, same way, this entire poem revolves around the real life story of a brother and a sister. Moving ahead with the next question of grammar. Over here, we have to fill in the blanks with the suitable articles, whereas the red that I have underlined, they are your answers. So first one is, Sushma lives with two friends in dash flat near dash college where she is studying. So we can see, so Sushma lives with two friends in a flat near the college where she is studying. Why we have used the? Because we are specifying a particular college over here where she is studying. We are not talking about all the colleges. We are talking about one particular college. Dash flat is small, but she likes it. The flat. Why we have used the again over here? Because we are talking only and only about Sushma's flat, not each and every flat in the building. Okay, so the flat is small, but she likes it. Second, Rakesh and Reena have got two children, Dash boy and Dash girl. So it is definitely a boy and a girl. Dash boy is 10 years old and Dash the girl is 3. So over here we are specifically talking about that boy and that girl. So that is why we have used the. The boy is 10 years old and the girl is 3. We are talking about their own children, not about anybody else. Moving on to the third one, Mohan works in Dash factory. Meeta does not have Dash job at the moment. So Mohan works in our factory because we're not identifying which factory it is. It is paper making, plastic making, whatever factory it may be. We are just commonly saying factory. So that is why we have used the article A. Meeta does not have a job, means any kind of job she is not having. We are not specifying any particular job. We are talking about job in common. So that is why we have used the article A. The last sentence is, man and dash woman was sitting opposite to me. Dash man was American, but I think dash woman was British. So man and a woman was sitting opposite to me. If I am sitting here in a park, then there are so many men's and women's, right? So we have used the article A because there are so many. But in the next line, we are talking about them particularly who were sitting opposite to me. So that is why we have used the article the, means the man who was sitting opposite to me, he was looking like an American, whereas the woman who was sitting near to me, not everyone, but we're talking about one particular woman who was sitting near to me was British. So that is why we have used the. So that was all about today's assignment. Very best of luck for your coming exams. Do study hard, stay home, stay safe, and keep studying. Thank you, everyone. Bye. See you.